All right, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It is day 6. And yeah, we've got a fun-filled day. We've already had a hectic morning. It is the 31st of July, so we're heading into the 1st of August tomorrow. Obviously, everyone knows the Cosmo Identity MGM switchover was yesterday, and we had some good news. Our comp offers literally doubled. So I've gone from some hotels being $60 free play, $100 F&B, all the way up to $130 free play and $250 F&B. And Emily's have gone up similar. She's got $150 free play and $250 food and beverage. So we both have bookings tomorrow for the 1st to the 3rd of August. We're double booked. So we're actually staying in Resorts World, where we comp matched. So there we have $100 free play and $150 dining credit. And when we noticed that our offers had gone up, we rang MGM and asked them to upgrade our offers, and they have done. They cancelled the originals and rebooked us in. I was originally staying in MGM Grand. I'm now booked in at Nomad. Emily is still in the same hotel, which is New York, New York. So as I said, we're not technically going to be staying there, but we've done it because we now have an increase in food and beverage. So in 2 days, we've now got 500 F&B in MGM alone, plus we've still got about $200 in Resorts World.
125.
Sorry?
150, I've got 50.
You've got, yeah, 150.
We've got a lot.
You've got 50, and I've got 25. So that's 225 plus 500. So we've got $725 of comps for the last 2 days. That's going to be interesting. But anyway, yeah, we are, well, I'm all ready to go. I'm all dressed. Emily's just sat in her dressing gown, just enjoying the view. Today's plans, it's actually downtown day, so we also have $100 left in F&B credit for Fontainebleau, because obviously we didn't go out last night for dinner, we just had Miami Slice. So we have $110 to spend on breakfast this morning, and then the plan is we'll probably go head to Viva or something. Is it Viva? Is it called Vida?
Vida, yeah.
Vida for breakfast, and then we're going to jump in the car. We're going to head up Strip to kind of Wynn, Palazzo, to Caesars properties, do a little bit of gambling there. And then later on this afternoon, probably about 4 o'clock, we're going to head into downtown, and we're dining at 8 East at 6 p.m. We'll do a couple of hours in downtown when it's dark, and then probably head back to the Strip, Fontainebleau, and Resorts World this evening, because I still have $25 F&B that I need to spend today, or that's lost. So yeah, it's going to be a hectic last 3 days. There's going to be a lot done in these next 3 days. There's going to be lots of up and down the Strip, moving around to make sure that we utilize and spend the maximum F&B. Free play is obviously not an issue. That'll be done, no problems. So yeah, that's your morning update, and I will pick it up when we get to breakfast. All right, so that was a quick change of plan. We were just discussing, we've got that much money to spend, which is a nice problem to have. That doesn't make sense to go to downtown and eat in 8 East. Or we can still go to downtown, we just don't eat there. Just go for a couple of hours.
Yeah, we could do.
I can drive down there.
Yeah.
Do that today and then do Caesars and other stuff this evening. We're not going to go, well, we might go tonight. We're not going to eat in 8 East, effectively. We really want to try 8 East, but we just can't justify spending money on food and beverage when we've just totted it up. We've got about $1,000 to spend today and the next 2 days. There's no point in going to 8 East and spending another $120 on food when we've got food and beverage credit. So we might go to downtown and possibly Strat. We said we'd nip in and have a look. We could drive down. Oh, see, I don't do paid parking. So yeah, plans still to be decided, but either way, it'll be a fun-filled day, I'm sure. Yes, darling?
We could go to downtown this morning.
Well, that's what I mean, yeah. Emily doesn't like the crazies. Emily doesn't like when the crazies come out at night. The crazies are there during the morning and the afternoon as well, though, Emily, so you're never going to get away from the crazies in downtown. Yeah, snob. So I'll pick it up in a bit wherever we end up. We have no idea. All right, so just to give you an update, we are still in the room, still waiting for Emily to get ready, taking forever and a day. But luckily it's given me time to figure out what we are doing the next few days. Nice problem to have, but still a problem. So we are going to head down to Vida for breakfast this morning. Then we are going to head to downtown. We're going to come back to Venetian, grab a small lunch in Venetian using the F&B that we've got there, $25. And then we're going to do Caesars and MGM this evening and bounce around Cosmo and stuff later on tonight. Tomorrow, we are going to have breakfast in the food court here and then check out and head over to Nomad and New York, sort out the rooms there. We're aiming to try and get into, what are we doing tomorrow? Dinner. We haven't decided. We're going to do a...
Tomorrow's box, isn't it?
What?
We've changed it that many times.
I'm
I've now
confused.
forgotten where we're bloody going. Hang on, let me check the notes.
Yes, tomorrow night
Nomad.
we're going to Nomad Library for a steak dinner. And then the following day, we are going to Wally's in Resorts World to spend $150 on breakfast there. And then the plan is to go to Javier's, but unfortunately we can only get in at 3:30, which is too early. We're going to see if we can push it back to 5 o'clock. If not, we'll have to figure out another option because 3:30 is too early. But we really wanted to try Javier's because it's got a great menu, but it's just fully booked at the minute online. So if not, it may be Bavette's or somewhere else fancy, the Momofuku, something like that. We haven't got the right dress for a fancy... Ooh, look, there's a plane coming in. Now, I've been waiting for this to happen for ages because they're literally landing. Here it is. Spirit, yeah. They're literally landing right past our hotel. So, obviously there's the airport. Sorry, the Fontainebleau window is filthy. So, yeah, I'm just doing some plane watching. Here, let's track him on final approach. So, yeah, we've been literally in the room for about an hour trying to figure out where to spend this money, how to spend it. Obviously, last minute over a weekend, a lot of places are fully booked. But yeah, that is the current plan. Let's see if I can zoom in even more on that plane.
The plan's changed about 100
Let's see how good this new Apple zoom is. Oh, to be fair, it's pretty decent. It's very hard to control at this kind of level. Here you go, we got a live touchdown of Spirit Airlines. Let's see how he does. Bit steep. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, a little bounce, there we go. Not bad by Spirit. Anyway, Russell Air Traffic Controller, signing out. Pick it up down at Vida. Alright, we are on our way to Vida. Now that we've rearranged the itinerary and got everything booked, I am ready for the next 3 days. Really, really looking forward to it. We've got some nice meals booked now. Just changed Javier's because we couldn't get in later to China Poblano. Got some really nice menu. Obviously Nomad Library, as I mentioned earlier. Yeah, looking forward to spending all this F&B and free play. I think it's going to be a really busy but a very enjoyable 3 days. I can't wait. And I get to whack on my jeans and my cowboy outfit in a couple of days and embarrass Emily. Oh, nothing gives me more pleasure than embarrassing my wife. Alright, I couldn't help myself. I jumped on a machine. Here she comes. Been waiting for her. It's been 4 hours getting ready. We've just activated our coffee, so we're going to go and grab a coffee and then go into Vida. Alright, so just grabbed our free coffee from Chez Bonbon and just heading into Vida now. All right.
Still chewing, Russell.
You're still chewing, that's all right. I can talk. You don't talk anyway. Just finished in Vida Breakfast. I went for their special, which was the crab cake Benedict with a spicy hollandaise. I've had a lot of Benedicts. That was the nicest Benedict I've ever had. Absolutely beautiful. You could taste the lemon, the dill, and the crab cakes worked perfectly with the spicy hollandaise. Emily had the burrito, which was nice.
Yeah.
And we had salted caramel iced macchiato, which was also good. Hands down, the best food we've had in Fontainebleau. Our previous experiences in Fontainebleau haven't been great, apart from the food court. But yeah, breakfast today has been absolutely exceptional. No idea how much that crab cake cost, but we've got $110 food and beverage, so I'm sure it will be covered. We're going to finish up now.
I'd say this was better than La Fontaine.
This is better than La Fontaine. It's better than Primrose. It's better than Salt and Ivy.
Yeah.
This is the first breakfast I've had that I would say is actually value for money. You actually get good quality food.
The thing is, the Benedict was the same price here as it is in
Salt and Ivy.
and that was much nicer.
Well, yeah, but I had the crab one. We didn't know how much it's going to cost. I'd imagine $40 for the crab cake one. But yeah, far superior to a lot of the other posh breakfast places we've been to. Not posh, but upmarket.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are going to finish off now, sign the bill, and make a move to downtown. So we'll pick it up on the way to downtown Las Vegas. A new remix song on. Emily loves mangoes. Ever after her mango margarita. Oh shit. Terrible vlogging. Emily loves mangoes. Emily loves mangoes. Emily loves mangoes. Emily loves mangoes. It's only 9 a.m. It's gonna be a long day. Emily loves mangoes. Alright, we are just leaving Fontainebleau now and making our way down to Fremont Street. So I'll pick it up with no idea which casino we're going to start in, but I'll pick it up when we get to Fremont Street. Every time we come to Fontainebleau, she sees people mulling around reception and a big black SUV. She goes, there's a celebrity, maybe there's a politician. She's off again now. I feel like there's a celebrity staying at the hotel because I just sense it. I sense she's talking out of her arse. Alright, we made it to the Fremont Street Experience parking lot. There was, on that drive from Fontainebleau to downtown, it's obviously very easy, just a straight road down the back. But I gotta say, there were some dodgy characters out and about this morning. Some real wild ones.
I wouldn't walk that.
No,
way.
definitely wouldn't walk that. It was fine for the most part, but there was one section that we started to go through about a mile out from downtown, which was just sketch. Some definitely Fruit Loopy people on the loose around there. But yeah, looking forward to getting back into downtown. We didn't do it last trip. It's been 12 months since we've been to downtown. We're not going to do the $50 challenge, but we are just going to put like $20 each in, so $40 in the machine, $200 in total, $100 each, and just potter around and do a few of the different casinos. So I'll pick it up when we get to the first one. So we are going to make our way to El Cortez to start off. We have our boarding passes, so we're going to do the old boarding card trick, get some free play. You get a free drink as well. We should have crossed over here, shouldn't we? Yeah. So yeah, we'll pick it up when we get into El Cortez. Alright, well that was a very short-lived trip into El Cortez. We went in to do the boarding pass trick. There's an old guy that's there who was there last time we did it, who's been there for donkey's years. There was a new woman there today, and when we gave her the boarding card, she said no, she won't accept the boarding card to Los Angeles. It needs to be a Las Vegas. So I explained that we did it last time and it worked perfectly fine, but yeah, for some reason she wasn't having it today. So we're on our way to Fremont Street now, pick it up in a bit. Alright, we are in Four Queens and we found a Willie Nelson live machine. We want to play games that we can't find on the strip. So we just put $20 in each, 1 cent denom. We'll do $1 bets. Alright, I haven't played this game before. This is the new one. I don't know if Emily's played it. What are we looking for? Are they symbols? Yeah. Alright. Is he not wild? No. We'll come back if we get a decent line hit or a bonus. Alright, we're not hitting much on this game. We're just going to do 3 more spins. We're looking for 3 of the Willie Nelson picks. Or a full screen of one of the symbols all the way across for the bonus. Alright, still 2 more spins to go. We haven't landed much. Pay lines aren't great, so even that King's Cross only pays $1.60. 1 more spin, last spin, cashing out and moving on. Yeah. Alright, so Emily did her $20 in Willie, I'm doing my $20 in Grumpy Cat. Let's see what we can do. We're gonna do 90 cents. Let's get that volume up. Oh, there's no volume, there's no way of increasing the volume on here. So, yeah, we'll do a few spins live and then we'll come back if we land a bonus or a line hit. Oh, have we got it? There we go. Straight in. Boom, just like that. See, this is why Russell should pick all the machines. We'll probably win bugger all. But there is some sound, we're very, very quiet. Alright, what can we do? Full screen of London or something. These symbols are all too similar to see what's... Is that a re-trigger? No, so far we've won $1. This Grumpy Cat really is grumpy.
Come on, we're nice to cats. We always feed the strays at home.
Yeah. Alright, that's something. Oh, is that it? Goes very slow, this machine. $1.65. I hate wilds. What's he doing? Turning all them wild? Or just randomly awarding them? What the hell? Right, fill the screen. No! Why, you just put one back on the same one that we already had one. Oh, it's gone to $11. When did that happen? Alright. We finished with $11.85. Not bad, not great. Bit boring this game. Might cash out and move on. Alright, we've moved on to Medusa. We only had 1 spin left, 84 cents, and we hit the bonus. Right, we need the $5 and the $7.50 to land. Come on, land that $5 and $7.50, please. Power ups. $5, $7.50, come on. Power up, something. Keep him coming, keep him coming, keep him coming. Oh, last spin. Land, 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 land. Up, 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 down, up, down. Yeah, you're up. Oh, you're a rat bag. Come on. Get that 5 and 7.50. One of them, up. Oh, that's it. Well, that was pretty poor. Alright, 6.40. We'll continue spinning. We'll come back if we get anything else. Oh, it could have been a very nice hit if we'd had something just filling up at the top there. Come on, we've landed 2 of him so many times. $5 left. We'll spin it down live. 1 more for the bonus. 1 more for the bonus. Come on, you rat bag. No. Alright, we'll be back. All right, we made it into Circa. We went into El Cortez, the Four Queens, and Golden Nugget. Zero luck. So into Circa. Let's see what we can do. Oh, she's off. She's a sucker for the claw machines. Every time. Look at that smile. Here we go. What are we getting? Oh, you might win $10. Might win $10.
Use the joystick to position the claw. Pressing play.
Oh no. No, if it's gonna win, it's gonna win. Oh no. I'll give you another chance. I'll give you another chance.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Give me another chance, though. No.
No.
One more go.
Oh, that means you win. That means you're guaranteed to win. If it gives you another go, you've won.
Use the joystick to position the claw.
Well, that's what we found. Why are you picking all the congested ones?
If I'm going to win, I'm going to win. It won't matter.
Uh-oh. It's falling, it's slipping, it's slipping. Hit on. Oh no, it's you can tell it held up firm. I've left a bit smelt it now, because it's rocking.
Yeah.
Wow, she's doubled the money. Drinks on Emily. Right, we're just in Plaza. I've got my $5 dine. I've got $10 free play, 3 bingo packs we probably won't use. Emily signed up. She doesn't get a slot play, but she gets a match play offer of $10. And she gets a hotel,
No resort.
no resort fee. 2 nights free would have been good.
I know.
Not that we would have stayed here, but oh well. If you ever do stay there, that you won't, you've got no resort fee to pay. Alright, we are leaving downtown. We've been here a couple of hours, we've bounced around a few casinos, we've not hit a single bonus. Well, actually that's a lie, I hit 2 bonuses on Dragon Link. One for $1.30 and one for $2.75. So we are heading back to the Strip. Emily's had enough with downtown. She doesn't like it. She says there's too many Fruit Loops. She feels...
Every time I turn around, the next to me, I attract them, Russell.
Oh yeah, I know where you attract them. Like big numbers attract big numbers. Fruit Loops attract Fruit Loops. Alright, we just made it to Bellagio, just parked on the roof. We're going to go in, we're going to do a bit of gambling in Bellagio, We're going to head across to Cosmo as well and do a little bit of gambling in Cosmo, just so we can put our MGM card in a Cosmo machine. That'll be strange. And then we're going to jump across to Paris and do some Caesars gambling. See you in a bit. Alright, so the updated plan is we're going to do 30 minutes gambling in Bellagio. We're going to make our way across to Ole Red, have a drink and watch some music in Ole Red, go across to Paris and Planet Hollywood, and then loop back round through Cosmo, back to Bellagio, and then take ourselves back to Fontainebleau. And then this evening we're going to head up to Venetian and win, do a little bit of gambling there later this evening. Pick it up when we jump on a machine. Alright, we are in Bellagio and we are jumping on Planet Moolah. We're just going to do 30 minutes in here. We'll just put $20 in each. Get that volume up. 1 cent dinar, 75 cents a bet. Haven't won anything really on. Oh, that would have been nice with a $6 orb. See if we can get the free game bonus. Or a line hit. Or anything. Wow. Hello. Moo. Anybody there? Okay, we'll come back. Alright, well that was an absolute bust in Bellagio. Again, just like downtown, we have not hit a single thing. Not even really a line hit, no bonuses. So we are moving on. We're going to walk over towards Ole Red and over towards Caesars. Pick it up in a bit. Alright, we are finally getting inside Ole Red. Been there, been there, been there. Can't even say that. Tissue or mingo? Do you need a tissue for your mingo?
Mother-in-law anymore. Oh, it rains, it pours. Rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Ooh, like a shot of whiskey, burning, going down, burning, going down, shaking you. Mountain view, well I'm laying here tonight. I need someone to stay chasing me. I'm glad, really, it's just a guy. They said she was not glad, really, it's just a guy. Down, 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 down in the spring line. They swirl, the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Jolene, 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 Jolene.
Alright, just in Ole Red having a drink. One of the acts has just finished, waiting for the new act to come on. Really impressed with this place, not cheap for drinks. But yeah, great place to come, wind away an hour or two. We've been singing along for the last hour. Just gonna go up and have a look at the outside balcony space and do some B-roll shots. Literally got the balcony to myself. It's too hot for everyone else, but yeah, cracking views. Absolutely brilliant. Great place to come and sit during winter and watch the the fountain show. Absolute perfect, literally the best view in Vegas for the fountains. Emily's got her fitting t-shirt on, Rodeo Baby.
Looks like Vegas Vicky.
Vegas Vicky, Ole Red.
Sticky Vicky.
Sticky Vicky. We are heading into Paris. Get up in a bit. All right, we are heading into a Caesars property for first time in what, 2 years?
No, we walked through last year.
We've walked through, but we haven't really gambled in there since we stayed at Planet Hollywood about 2 years ago.
No, we don't really do.
Don't really do Caesars anymore, do we? But we do like the Caesars properties. We just don't get anything from them, so hence we pledged allegiance to MGM as opposed to Caesars. Gotta say, you know what, now we're back in, I have actually missed Paris. Emily, you stayed here not long ago with Lorraine.
That was like
2 years ago. Yeah, it's been a good year and a half, 2 years. It's good to be back in. I do like Paris inside. So we're gonna jump on a machine. I'll pick it up in a bit. All right, we are on Gold Pays in Paris. I haven't played this game all trip. It's one of my favorites. All right, we're doing a $1.36 spin. I suggested that we do the 68 because that's what wins, but oh, I'd laugh if we'd have got a bonus on that then. All right, we're back on for 136 events. Right, we're looking for 3 of these, or with the dynamite. Come back if we get a bonus or a decent line hit. Alright, there might not be much gambling in today's vlog because we haven't hit a bloody bonus yet. We are leaving Paris unsuccessful again. It's been shit gambling in Fontainebleau, shit gambling in downtown, shit gambling in Bellagio, shit gambling in Paris, and now on to Planet Hollywood for probably more shit gambling. Emily's on the hunt for Dolly. She's not leaving until she finds Dolly. She's adamant it'll be in the same spot that it was 2 years ago. Let's see if she's right. And just like that, we are leaving losers. Yeah, we are leaving Caesars. We couldn't hit water if we fell out of a boat today. Literally just been money in, straight down, absolutely nilt. All right, we're making our way into Cosmo. Look at that, MGM rewards all over Cosmo. Interesting to see what it's like. I mean, I know it won't be any different inside, but still interested. I wonder if the what the situation is with the Wicked Spoon buffet. I'm glad we went before, well, potentially before going. But I'd be interested to see what it's like in there now. Putting an MGM card into a Cosmo slot.
bit strange.
Alright, we made it into Cosmo. We're going to head to Bang Bar and get are we going to get a spicy pork wrap or are we going to get a cumin beef? No cumin this time.
No.
Just spicy pork. Okay. We'll get a table. Okay. I'll go and sort out the spicy pork wrap on the MGM comps. Alright, we tried to go and get this spicy pork wrap, but these systems are not working. Shock horror. The transition has not gone as smooth as possible. She said we're unable to take any comps or use slot dollars or anything in Cosmo at the minute. I don't have a room here. How can I sign to my room? Would you want to sign to someone else's room? So yeah, we're going down the casino floor. I can't put my finger on it, but it just doesn't feel the same in here anymore. Maybe expectations of MGM ruining Cosmo. Who knows? Anyway, we'll pick it up on hopefully a winning machine. Our luck needs to turn around. We haven't hit a single thing all day. Alright, we're going to try our luck on Dragon Link. We've not been hitting anything. We are putting our MGM card into the Cosmo slots. Very weird seeing all the MGM stuff everywhere. See if it works. Invalid card. Let's try it again. There we go. Alright, we've got $100 in. We're going to do 1 cent denom. $1.50 a spin. Alright, one more. Ooh, that would have been a nice start. 3 more. Alright, we'll come back if we get a line hit or a bonus. Alright, we jumped back on Good Fortunes because we had a good win on here. Well, a few good wins a couple of days ago. And we hit the bonus. Finally. Let's go straight down the middle with 15, same as last time. Let's see what we come out. Let's lower that volume. Super loud. Right, on a great start so far. We need lots of dragon heads for the multipliers. Doesn't line anything up. Times 8. Oh, aces actually, yeah. $16 hit, not bad. Wasn't expecting that. Wilds all the way, come on. Oh, nothing lines up. Up to $20. It's game 7 of 15. Alright, here we go. Land it, line it up, line it up. Nice. That's big. Times 8, that's huge. How much is that? That could be very, very good. Let's see. Alright, $104. Nice. Very nice hit. Finally. Times 8. Fish. Same we didn't have a 9 on the first row. Alright, one game 11 and 15. Come on, line up some, throw some more multipliers and wilds down. All the way across the gold. Oh, one more here would have been a nice re-trigger. Alright, last spin on $107. Can we line it up? No, we can't. You know what? I will take that. Happy days. We finally clawed back some of our losses from earlier today. Let's do a backup spin. Once again, this machine is paying out all the way. It's on $179, which is high. The one next door is only $113. Alright, another $3. We'll keep going. We'll come back if we get another bonus or a decent line hit. Emily's on a very, very good bonus. She's up to 135. You don't understand what?
16 games remaining. Oh my god, I didn't realise.
16 games remaining?
Yeah, I didn't realise I had so many games.
Oh, Emily's on a massive hit. Alright, let's come back and see what she ends up with. That's huge. That's when you get more games?
I'm on 45 games for that one.
Oh my god, she's going to be here all day. Alright, we are in the bonus. 3 games. We're on mighty cash. Emily is still raking it in. She's up to $240. She's happy. She's still got 38 games on one of them. We're going to start the 3-game feature. Looking for 6 orbs for the bonus and the bonus. 8 free spins. Come on. Don't do us dirty. Come on. We need 6 orbs with money on. 3 for a re-trigger. Alright, re-trigger. Another 8 free games. Oh, we're both going on. Plenty of free games going on between the two of us. But let's see what we land. I don't think I'm going to land quite a bigger bonus as Emily, who's already up to $277. Mine's doing absolutely bugger all. Hers is just paying out left, right and centre. 286. Alright, $11 line hit. Up to $13. We need the orbs. Bonus and the bonus. Here we go. Is it either a re-trigger or is it bonus and the bonus? It's another re-trigger. Right, another 8 free games. I'm on here. Emily's just behind me. Up to $310. Now, three minors. Unbelievable. The minor has dropped like 3 or 4 times in the normal games, so I'm hoping that it will drop. Minor is $50. Would be nice. So far, we've had 11 spins and we've only spins for a $20 bonus. Three spins left. Now, two more. Oh, you rat bag. Oh, 5 again. It's taking the piss. Last spin. That was atrocious. All that for $23.48. Alright, Emily is up to $382 and she has 2 spins remaining. Top middle game. She's gonna break 400. She might.
That was really good.
Oh, that was really good. Oh, she's happy. Good. Are you gonna pay for dinner then?
No.
No.
It's not bloody resort.
No. Alright, we're back in the bonus. Oh, we got a mini and a minor. Alright. 68-cent bet. That is a beast. $17.50. Mini $20. Minor $50. I think I prefer Cosmo's MGM. Who needs Cosmo when you got MGM? Alright, good numbers on the board. Let's fill it up and double it. That would be incredible. And we've got 8 spins. Right, doubling up this would be incredible. Last time we played this in Bellagio, we hit 68 cents. We landed the maxi for 500. Can we do it again? We got the mini, we got the minor. Only one more to fill it up, Emily. Alright, 4 spins to double it up. If we double this, it will be an exceptional bonus. 3 spins. Come on. 2 spins. Oh, you tease. Last spin. We could get extra spins afterwards. Come on, land it. Oh, you rat bag. No additional spins. You know what? We can't complain at that. All right, we are back. 135 on a 68-cent bet. Very, very nice. Thank you. There's nothing like a big win to piss off the person that was playing there. Emily was playing, she got 400, she got the huff. And then when I won this and I was going, oh, we got the mini, we got the minor. She was not happy, she legged it off. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm just gonna film this bonus. We are quite heavily into free spins, and so far the mini, the minor, and the major jackpot orb have landed. So I'm gonna film this just in case, because it is dropping orbs with big words on them. So far in the bonus we've won $7. We've had about 10 spins. We re-triggered a couple of times. Drop a orb with a word. This is 2-cent denom, $1 bet. I can see the blue flying around for the minor. Would be nice to land a major. Come on, drop someone. 1 orb with a word, please. Nope. Alright, we are back in the bonus. A few spins later. We did not lend the major, but we've got 2 $20 orbs. Very nice. Major is 772. Minor 100. Mini $20. Big numbers, trap big numbers. And it has been dropping lots of orbs with words. Alright, another $20. Nice. Go on, drop that major. I know you want to. You've been teasing. You've dropped it already in gameplay. Alright, this is a good bonus. This is a very nice last spin. Save the day. Alright, not a bad bonus. Cashed out our 280, put 100 in. We've already had 1 bonus for 30 odd, and now our second bonus is going to take us up probably over another 200. takes us to, yeah, $203. We'll do a couple of live backup spins. We're gonna stick with this machine, seeing that it's paying. Go on, 3 more. Alright, I'll be back if we get another line hit or another bonus. Alright, feel like it's gone quiet. Keeps dropping big orbs with numbers and words on. Keeps dropping 2 moon symbols and 5 orbs. We'll give it a few more spins. Alright, that'll be decent. 3, 1 more. There we go. Back in the bonus. Nice. Every time I go live, I get the bonus. Alright, small numbers this time. Let's see what we can do. Should take us back up over 200. Oh, last one, save the day. Come on, drop 1 more. I'm getting a lot of dirty looks from the people playing the games around me. But I don't care. I've been losing all morning. It's about time. Alright, last spin, save the day, just a little one. No big numbers. Oh, we're still alive. Oh, still time to fill it up. Drop the mini, minor or major. Or fill it up for the grand. Last spin. Alright. We will take it. $27. Nice. And we carry on. It is dropping left, right, and centre. That miner's just gone by again. That miner wants to come home with me. Alright, I'll come back. 1 more. Alright, we're on Planet Mulan. We got the bonus. Well, we got the free spins.
Welcome.
We landed 7 and we landed 1 additional spin in the last. Let's see what we can get. 2x, line it up. Alright, that's all. Go on, land the, I want the unicow. Alright, decent. Yay. Alright, that's not bad. Come on, we want the unicow, we want the unicow. What are we going to land? 3x multiplier. Oh, at the back, shock horror. Of course. Always at the back. Come on. Nope. Alright, we've got 1 last spin. Oh, there's wild at the back, nothing. $4.10, garbage. Alright, we are back in the bonus. What are we going to shoot? Shoot the 686. Shoot something. Fucking hell, not shooting anything. Oh, shoot the 75. Yeah, of course it will. Wow. Bloody garbage. I want the unicow. Welcome to the planet Moon. Oh, turn it down. Far too noisy. Come on, Moolah, zap. Zap away. That's a lot of use. Oh, bloody hell. Come on. Come on, Moolah. Give us a good hit. Something. 2x. Probably right at the back. Oh, that's not too bad. Line it up. Not at the back. Oh, look, what a surprise. Right at the back. Right, it made a blast. Something decent. So we line up the 5x. No. What a shame I didn't extend to the 5x. Oh, it's 665. Garbage. Are we going back in the bonus? No, we're not, you rat bag. All right, we are leaving Cosmo. Emily is leaving a winner. Cosmo's busy. The rewards desk is absolutely packed. They must have had a good 8 to 10 people on behind the counters. Obviously, because of the transition, a lot of people getting new cards and updating their cards and all sorts. So, anyway, it is 4:30 in the afternoon. We are gonna jump in the car and head back to Fontainebleau so that I can drop the car off and start drinking. We're gonna head over to Resorts World, use that $25 F&B, get a snack.
Maybe it's a Liverpool food court. Get a sandwich.
Yeah, and we'll see where the night takes us. Alright, we made it to Venetian. We're just gonna get this $25 activated and then for the food and beverage, and then grab a snack somewhere, and then we'll pick it up in a short while. Alright, so we went to the Venetian rewards. What's strange is we have $25 food and beverage. They give you a voucher. They have to print off a paper voucher, like a little checkbook. I just find it mind-blowing that in this day and age, everything else is digital and you've got a card, rather than just be able to use to, swipe the card like every other hotel and casino does. You have to go to the desk and get a printout and a physical voucher. Very, very strange. Anyway, we're gonna go to Grand Lux Cafe and just grab a sandwich, a little snack, share a sandwich, and then we'll be heading up to Resorts World a little bit later to gamble. It's so busy in Venetian. So yeah, we're just gonna eat here and then head back to Fontainebleau and Resorts World, spend the night in FB and RW. Emily's been had off. We're in Venetian, we've just finished in Grand Lux, go down. And we got in the lift and we weren't paying attention to what floor we were on. And Emily said in the lift, she goes, "Oh, what floor do we park at?" And this guy goes, 7. So we finished, we've gone to level 7. I said to him, "I think he's had you off here. I think he's giving you a random number." Anyway,
So
I was right. The car is not on 7, she's been had off. So now we've got to go through all of these floors and find out which one we're parked on. Thank God they give you 45 minutes to exit the car park. Alright, we've located the car. Have we? Alright. Yeah. He had us off. Saw you coming a mile away, thought, "Oh, look at this mug.
He said 7.
Here comes the mug, I'll have her."
He said 7, dead pissed off as well, like dead fed up. So
Yeah.
he wanted to take
He wanted to send you on a wild goose chase, and he did. Anyway, half an hour later, we found the car. Alright, we made it back to Fontainebleau. We're just going to head to the room, drop a few bits and bobs off, grab a couple of beers out of the fridge, and head back onto the casino floor. We're going to do an hour or so gambling in Fontainebleau, and a little bit later this evening head over to Resorts World. So I'll pick it up once we're on the casino floor. Alright, I am on a bonus on Legends of Imperial. Emily's on a bonus in Drangling, or she was in a bonus. We hit the I think the hold and win, yeah. Not played this game before. We're on 1 cent Dean on $1 bet, 5 spins. See what we can land. Extra row, nice. Mini is $10, minor is $25. We are $40 down since we started the evening session. Alright, times 2. Does that multiply everything? Nice. Oh, that's cool. Multiply every single thing. So we've got 288, so that'll be a nice $6 roll. Alright, let's get a few more of these multipliers, please. Come on. Every time you land one, it gives you an extra spin as well, and it keeps going. So that's good. This could be a very good bonus. Alright, we need to drop some multipliers. Oh no, it's got very quiet. Oh no, last spin. Save the day. Save the day. There we go. Last spin again. Now we're on last spin, we've got no buffer. So every spin is our last spin. We need to keep landing them. Oh, actually, you get 1 spin for every one you land. So if you land 3 in one go, you get 3 additional spins. Right, drop some multipliers. Or an extra row. Alright, that's it. Not great, not bad. Could be a $20 bonus. We'll take it. Alright, Emily's back in the bonus. What's she landing on? $8, 80 cents. Oh, $20. Oh, she's happy because I said you've got a 4x multiplier. So she gets 4 spins, I think. Because she's already had 1 spin and she's had another one. And now she's got 3 games. Well, we'll come back and see how well she does. Oh, Emily might be on for a hand pay. 6 spins out of 20. And she's already got 2,000 quarters. Yeah, 2,000 quarters. So $473. Doesn't line up.
I don't know what's going on there.
It tells you here, Emily. Look, if you get 222. Anyway, she's on for a huge win. She literally did 2 spins.
No, I didn't. I did quite a few.
Did you? It looked like you only did it
No,
before.
I didn't do that many.
No, I was about to say, you only just sat down.
More wheel spins after this, like more.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah.
So, we think she's got 4. So Emily's in the 3 games. We think she's got 4 wheel spins. She's got 30 games. Oh my god, this is a hand pay. This is a hand pay.
It depends what happens. No, I've still got. I don't want a hand pay. I don't want to pay bloody tax.
Right, you want 1,199. So if she's got 4 spins and this is only spin 2 of 4, this could be a huge bonus.
Well, it's just dead spinning, so.
Or it could just be a $479 bonus.
You need to put if you get 4 coins, you get that. No, it's just dead spinning. I don't know if I've got more.
Well, you landed 4x bonus multiplier, and your first spin then gave you a second spin, so it would make sense that you get 4 spins.
I really don't.
It's not going up much. Even so, Emily, we've only put...
Right, we need coins.
No. Either way, how much have you been spinning?
It's $2.25 of that. I think
So
I put
$2.25. You probably did what?
Oh, 7. Oh, damn it.
You can't have done more than $10, $15 worth of spins. So you're on for a $500 Tito already. Emily has a knack of going onto machines and putting like $2, $3 in, doing a couple of spins and getting a bonus. Whenever I do it, I never get anything.
Well, that was a bit disappointing. Let's see what happens after
That was a bit disappointing.
No,
that was a bit disappointing.
Well, no, because I thought
$492, and she's saying that was a bit disappointing.
Yeah,
That's it. Oh, that's it. That's it. Only 400.
Oh, I've got the 5.
Oh my word. That's another $25. 4. Just can't
Oh,
count.
Give me 12.
Yeah, you only got 4. You got 4. It was 12.
Okay.
It's reset. Not surely not again. Oh my god, this machine is paying.
Come on.
Coins or bonus. You're up to $550 now. Alright, I'll come back if she gets anything else. Literally, as soon as I sit back down in my machine to start playing it, she goes back in the bonus. Let's see what she's going to get this time. Not another $500 bonus. Alright, $30. Oh no, $7.50. Times 3x. How much? $23. Well, you just did win 500. Alright, I jumped on Autumn Moon, doing 1 cent dinar, $1.50 a bet. And we hit the bonus. Let's see what we can land. We are $60 down. Emily's up about 600 in the afternoon session. Alright, Orbs. Oh, Orbs would have been nice. Alright, this is a poor bonus so far, $3.30. Wilds. Oh. Come on, give us something good. Orbs. Orbs. Oh, wow. Garbage. Absolutely garbage. $4.80. Sorry, $5.55. Alright, we are back in the bonus. Still on 1 cent dinar, $1.50. Let's hope we land more than $5. Orbs. Just give us the orb bonus once, come on. Ay, ay, ay. Do not do the dirty again. Right, orbs. Wow. Orbs. Oh, a little something there. $13. Orbs. Whee, finally. Got one mini for $10. Let's turn that volume down a bit. Alright, let's see what we can claw back. Minor is 50, major 755. Not that we're going to hit one of them. We'll have to keep taking minis though. All the minors going around. Last spin, save the day. Don't do the dirty on us again. Oh, wow. Oh, well, better than the last one, I suppose. Not much better. $33.50 keeps us going. Oh, we're still in the bonus. We're up to 46. I forgot. All right. Don't do orbs now. All right, we will continue spinning, seeing as it is active. And we'll come back if we get another bonus or a decent line hit. Emily can retell that story. Go on.
So I won that, how much was it?
Meanwhile, I'll show you the types of bonuses I'm winning.
Shaking.
$13, that's what I'm getting on bonuses. On $1 bets. Go on.
So I cashed out of that machine.
She won the 500 that I showed you before, like 520 or something.
I went to the ATM, got it for 500. I thought I'll put 400 away, I'll take 100 on Wheel of Fortune and I'll do a few like $9 spins. I did one spin. Of course, wheel, got the bonus. Won another 400 after one.
So that's $1,000 in half an hour.
I'm literally shaking. I don't know where.
$1,000 in half an hour. Meanwhile, I'm hitting bloody $5.55 bonuses. Right, let's see if I can win $500. Or am I going to win $5 again?
I was getting $9, so I just.
Yeah, I know, but you did one. Emily's, see what I said about your machine before? Emily's got a knack of doing 1 or 2 high bets and winning on it. I could go over there and put $10 a spin in and I'd go through $5,000 and not hit a single thing.
This is taking $30 off.
Oh no, it's taken $30 off her. Oh no. You've only got $970 left. In fact, no, you've got about $1,500 for the daily budget now. Right. Here we go. I'll count it for you. Right. What can we do? Oh, here you go. Oh, that didn't line up. I can't believe all them. All right, a little something. Can't believe we got all them multipliers that didn't line up. Right, can you shush? You're interrupting my bonus here. Your noisy machine. All the way across. We need a lot of multipliers. Aye, aye, aye. It's another $20 bonus if we're lucky. $15. Last spin. Oh, garbage. $16 again. Another incredible bonus. Look at this, 5 spins and we've won $2. Oh my word. Alright, so we're on our way to Resorts World. Hopefully I have some luck in the big red beast. Alright, we made it to Resorts World. We are on Lion's Fortune. We're doing 1 cent denom, $1.74 a bet. Let's get the volume up. I've played this one before. Is that wild? The symbol? Don't know what we're looking for. I'm guessing we're looking for 3 of these. And he's wild. Can set off the bonus. Alright. Blip, blip, blip. We'll come back if we get a good line hit or a bonus. I'm playing the game at $2 a bet, and Emily comes and goes, "Ooh, $2 a bet, Russell." I said, "You know what? I play $2 a bet all the time. I just never hit anything." And literally, as soon as I said I never hit, the dragon came out. All right, 5 cent denom, $2 a bet. Good old mighty cash. Low numbers. Let's see what we can do. Drop a word, a ball with a word on. Mini 75, minor 150, maxi 631, major 1100, grand 10,000. Let's drop some big numbers, please. Oh look, it's the Russell bonus where you'll win overall. This is what my bonuses have been like today. Since we got back from the only place I've won money on this whole holiday is Cosmo. Everywhere else has been garbage. Cosmo, I've had some really good wins. This is dreadful. But it's our last spin. That's it. Pretty poor bonus for a $2. Well, it's not bad. $46. It's not bad. We'll take it. All right, we're on Dynamite Pop. And we got the Mega Blast bonus. The Resorts World 1 cent denom, $1 bets. Oh, this is the one we got last time when it was garbage. It just randomly blows up a figure. $2. We get 7 picks. We want the ones with the arrows. There we go. Oh, you get the whole row. Oh, that's good. Oh, so we can set them all off. Oh, that's very cool. Oh, wow, that just went from being a shit bonus to a half decent one. All right, we want those arrows. Yeah. Last spin. Oh, no, sorry, that was 6. This is the last spin. +4, +4, +4. Oh, so close. You know what? $39.50, not bad. Takes us back up to $95. All right, carry on. What are you doing?
I was going to see what free play I've got.
Oh. See if we can set up again. All right, we'll come back if we get another bonus or a line hit. All right, so we've finished the gambling in Resorts World. Well, not finished, but we're just putting it on hold. Oh, there it is, Aubrey Pizzeria. We were just looking for the pizzeria place. It's on a giant hall. Apparently, it's just around the back of here. So we're going to go to Mulberry's. We've got we should have $25 food and beverage. We went to the Asian food court, and I've got to say, it was absolutely shocking. Yeah, atrocious. Only, I think, 5 places were open. 4 places were open. Everything else was closed. And of the places that were open, they literally had 2 items on the menu. So, oh, it's closed. What's going on with the Resorts World? Like literally everywhere to get food is closed. It's 8:30, and every food option in Resorts World is closed. Yeah, so a little tip, don't stay in Resorts World Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, because literally nothing is open. You know, even he's laughing his head off, you little shitbag. Look what he's smiling at. Alright, so it looks like it's a bowl of rice with some meat on top. Yummy, my favourite, rice. I hate rice. So, well, there's nothing else to eat, is there? Either that or we get some donuts from Randy's. Randy. Oh, here's Wally's. We'll be visiting Wally's in a couple of days for breakfast. We're going to spend $150 on breakfast somehow. Don't know how. Oh yeah, one more thing that we found strange about Resorts World is we noticed there was $100 on the free play. And we went to the rewards desk and asked them, and they said, oh yeah, someone's loaded it on the card, so it must be for our stay, but we don't check in till tomorrow. So I've never seen a hotel or casino put free play on your card the day before you check in. Alright, we got some food from the Asian food court, and I accidentally ordered 3 pots of kimchi. So Emily's in for a very loud, smelly night tonight. Because cabbage does not agree with my stomach. I love kimchi, but it does not agree with me. Yeah, we got a steak bowl, which looks drier than a... Well, I'll leave the rest to your imagination. That was some spicy kimchi. 3 bowls of it later. Ooh. It'll be a fun night tonight. Every time. No. No, you rat bag. Alright, our time in Resorts World is drawing to end. We have $4.37 left. We keep landing 2 full reels of 7s and missing the 3rd reel. We'll pay $150 or $250 depending on which colour we land. Alright, last spin. Nope. We are done. Alright, we are leaving Resorts World. $200 down. Heading back to Fontainebleau to finish off the night there. I will be going to the room, getting a very large glass of wine, and then hitting the slots. So I'll pick it up in Fontainebleau.
Should know better, 'cause you always do this to me. But you start to play. Later this will leave, but I don't dare. And I promise myself it will never happen again. But oh, here I stand, heartbroken and weary.
Alright, just nip back to the room to get a drink. We're getting on it. We're on it tonight. Just nip back to get a glass of wine. It's quite a large glass. Should keep us going. Alright, once again, Emily is in the win big time. She's already landed a mini for $100. She's now got 2 of them. If she repeats one more orb, it's a minimum of $200. Well, you have got $200 on there. That's $400. If she lands, it's $200 plus every ball she lands. She has had so much luck tonight. Oh no, only another $400 to add to the $1,200 you've already won. You ever seen a smile? Look at that smile on her face. And she still wouldn't even buy me dinner. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Can't believe she's back in it again. Only small numbers, but I've never seen anything like it. Her luck this evening has been insane. Wouldn't surprise me if she didn't land the maxi. There's me trying to win $5. What an incredible, literally 2 spins later. Wow. That sums up my luck. Emily's absolutely beasting it and I cannot hit a single thing. We're on 5% lean on $2.50 a bet. Let's see if we can get a bonus of some sorts. Alright, we'll come back if we get a bonus or a decent line hit. One more, no. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we are winning, bugger all. Last spin. Nope, Emily's just cashed out 800. A winner with 15 cents on a $2 bet. Wow, that's the best luck we've had all night. Nope. Alright, we jumped on all aboard. 1 cent lean on $1.50 bet. Let's see how we can do compared to Emily. Emily walked away with $800. I'll probably walk away with $80. Mini is 18, Major is 30, Maxi is 150. One at a time, please. Let me zoom out so I can get the totals in. There we go. Give us one with a word, please. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Lovely. Just drop the maxi out there, please. Yo, giving me small numbers. Giving all the big numbers away to Emily. Alright, this is good though. One at a time, one at a time. Alright, big number, big number, big number. Oh, you bagger. One at a time. I said one at a time. Thank you. Alright, drop a big number and then give me one of them. Come on, big, big, big. Yes, Mini 18. So that means we won't hit any more. 2 spins left. You dirty dog, you. Come on, just one. Oh, you bagger. Alright, $90. Can't complain. First spin bonus, thank you very much. Alright, we jumped on cash machine, just doing $1 a bet, just to try it out. We just need a number in this first reel. That's the only one that matters. There we go, that's what we wanted, $10. Ooh, nearly. Alright, back if we get anything else. Alright, we jumped on coin combo. I was drawn in by the number 1966, a very special year for English football fans. And 86, which is the year I was born. A great year. So we're playing Hurricane Horse. So we're going to do 1 cent denom, $1.76 a bet. Alright, let's land. Oh, someone left some wilds on the screen for us. That was nice of them. Let's see if we can line it up. Alright, we'll come back if we get a decent line hit or a bonus. Alrighty, I am on the way back to the room alone. Emily is downstairs. I have run out of money. My daily budget is kaput. Emily, on the other hand, is about $1,500 up, so she's staying down on the casino floor this time. Just like last night, she'd lost all her money, and I was winning. Role reversal. So, yes, we will be wrapping up this vlog here. I am absolutely shattered. Again, thank you so much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week for our second to last day in Vegas. See you.